Okay, now let's get serious, buddy.
As you can see, we've just thrown everything into this attic all winter long. So now it's time to use it or lose it.
We have a philosophy. If we haven't used it for 6 months, it's out of here. Go. We either give it to someone in need, we give it to Goodwill, yard sale it, trash it, we get it out of the space. The problem is we don't always agree on what gets to stay and what needs to leave. Do we, dear?
I think we have 100% agreement. I stay, and anything else can go. I'm not getting rid of this.
I love that. I love that. I love that. Everything else can go.
Well, not everything.
It's on video. This stuff is out of here. Out of here.
Some stuff. Okay, you can get rid of that. Here, take that. You can get rid of that.
What about this?
I'm going.
Getting serious about the attic cleaning.
Look at my face. Look at my face, how serious I am.
Let's get to work. Get to work!
I'm working.
First,
That's my line. The first thing we do is we're gonna tell you how we approach organizing the attic.
we take inventory of all the junk and we put like things with like. Everything in here, toys for the grandchildren or furniture or lamps, we put everything in a category. And then we determine how much space those items need. And what do? Do I need to find new talent? Read your lines, buddy.
And then we put them in a specific area in the attic. Of course, we take the items that we use the most, we put those out in the front so we can get to them.
Nailed it.
That's what I said.
So smart. So smart.
Don't touch my butt.
For boxes, we make sure they have the right label on each one. They're just easier to find when you're in a rush. Like we're always in a rush. We even label our Christmas boxes so we know which box to start with every year that we pull them out. We have some shelving up here, which is really a great help. But we leave our Christmas stuff in the back on the floor. It just works out of the way since, that's only once a year.
Boxes, we use cardboard, we use plastic. Our favorite are the
Yes.
plastic clear so you can kind of see what's inside besides having a label. Lids. We're going to do our best efforts today, but we know that no matter what we do within the next 3 to 6 months, we're going to have to come up here
Yes.
do it again.
We
Because
are.
you know why? Because Tina is going to keep putting stuff up here.
It's not true.
And I'm going to have to get rid
Oh,
of
it's a little bit true.
Tina stuff.
That's
everywhere.
not in the script, buddy.
I'm looking around, looking at all the stuff, and I'm like, that's Tina's, that's
I'm gonna
Tina's,
put a
that's
label
Tina's,
on
that's
you,
Tina's, that's
buddy.
Tina's.
I'm ready to go. Let's get this attic clean.
There's a box. Go grab it, girl.
I'm good.
Not that box, the other box.
All right, you're on your own, buddy. Putting you in a box and putting a label on you.
Can I jump out? We did it. We
Yes!
have accomplished 95% of this cleanup. We're a bit more organized, a bit more cleaned up, a bit more donated. Now we are ready for the next few months for Tina to come up and throw junk up here again.
Let's go do the pantry next.
No.
We're on a roll. Put that up.
Glad I got that instead of her. She'd liable to use it.
Let's go.
No.
Come on.
No. No.
How do you enjoy life at home?
Share your stories, tips, and pictures with us.
Email us at tina@tinakeil.com.
And if you or anyone you know is even thinking of buying or selling a home,
We would love to help.
until next time,
We're the Keil team.
We deliver results
That move you.